We are live. Bam, we are live. All right, we are live on YouTube, TikTok, and X today, just to check it out. It's Friday. It's Shut the F Up Friday. We got the script challenge happening in about 20 minutes. Thanks for tuning in. The link is in the bio. We go live on a special Zoom link at noon Pacific for our game show, the Script Challenge. And whether on YouTube, X, links, hit the beacons link, and you'll see a spot you can put your email address in, hit that, and then you'll see the Script Challenge. Hit the Script Challenge. There's a link, same link every week, same time, noon Pacific. We go live. We take contestants and run through the script. You know what the script is. Why did you pull me over? I'm not discussing my day. Am I being detained or am I free to go? I invoke the fifth. And you simply keep your mouth shut. And we get more raw, more uncensored on the Zoom, things we can't do on most of the social media platforms. But if you want to join live, about 20 minutes, noon Pacific, we do a nice Q&A. We do the game show. You could win prizes like the shirt, the hat. We got the script stickers. And of course, our script business cards that have the script right on the back. And you can get the sticker and the card. So you always have the information there. And for those who are just joining or you don't know what this is all about, it's about the only 25 words you use when you get pulled over. It's about peacefully engaging with law enforcement, utilizing your fourth, fifth, and sixth, making sure you never consent to searches, making sure you always film them. And we used to do this every week, and started in the pandemic days on IG and the other platforms, but now we're regulated to our own special private Zoom link where we can do and say anything we want, and we're not censored, we're not hampered. So get to the link in our bio, the beacons link, whichever platform you're on, click it, throw in your email, subscribe to us, and then hit the script challenge button. You'll see the Zoom link come up. Save it, because we're here every Friday, noon Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. Central, I think that is. And we take all sorts of contestants, all sorts of questions. Hey there, JF Enterprise, good to see you. Who's joining us over up in here? Mr. Fave, gotcha, good to see you. Thank you for tuning in on X and TikTok. And again, if you have questions, here's the question. Should I have an attorney retained before we have trouble knocking? Well, depending on what type of business you're in or what you're doing, it's never a bad thing to have an attorney on retainer to help you out. But if you don't, it doesn't matter. You can still say, I want my attorney. Even if you don't have one right then and there, they have to stop questioning you, and you'll be you have to get one before you answer any questions. So that's a question. But we do more Q&A during the script challenge as we go through the scripts. Yeah, it is how it works. The game starts when I say, I'm the cop, I pull you over. See? And then we mock a pullover with a contestant. And I'm like, hey, where are you going? Where are you coming from? What's your name? What's that smell? Why are your eyes red? Are you in a gang? Why are you going so fast? What's the rush? How's your day? I mean, there's a million questions. What's up, Jay Farrow? A million questions that they could ask. And your response is simply only those 25 words we teach and preach. Why did you pull me over? I'm not discussing my day. Am I being detained or am I free to go? If detained, you must say, I invoke the fifth. And then you do that. It's shut the up Friday. Love having to censor myself over here on the Zoom link. We don't have to censor. We also have a little sesh. We Q&A, as I said, and we go into more detail about the script and what it means and how to use it, and bonus questions regarding your fourth, regarding your sixth. As we say, never, ever consent to searches. Always film them. And, we have a seminar called The Etiquette of Engaging. and how you engage those authorities. And at a pullover, it's not the time to argue. The time to argue is after in court. What if they say, turn your camera off? Somebody just asked. Well, if it's in your hand and you're getting arrested, it's coming out of your hand anyway. We suggest mounting it right on the car, right towards the driver's side. So it's facing the driver window, the camera, and just put it on and leave it on. If they turn it off, then attorneys like me later on in court can ask them, why'd you turn that off? Why wasn't your body cam on? What are you hiding? What are you afraid of? Why did you turn that off? So you never want to get into an argument on the side of the road. If they tell you to do something, you do it. You get out of the car, you have to get out of the car, hands behind the back, just do it in those moments. They have all the authority. You're not going to win on the side of the road. And it makes it easier for us as your attorney, or whatever attorney you get, to make those arguments afterwards in court that maybe you were violated, that they did an illegal search, that they coerced you into incriminating yourself because you utilized the 6th and asked for your attorney. You invoked the 5th. The less you say, and that's why we whittled it down to just 25 words, the better off you're going to be afterwards. It's not a get out of jail free card. It's to help you in the best way possible to preserve your 4th, 5th, and 6th to use after in court. Now, we get messages from across the country that people who do this, why did you pull me over? I'm not discussing my day. Am I being detained or am I free to go? Yeah, get out of here. You're on your way. What's up, Kitten Mitchens? U-Haul, how you doing? What's up, Mike, over there? And you're on your way with a warning or even just a simple traffic citation. Because remember, you're getting pulled over for some traffic violation. And there's thousands and thousands of them, little stupid ones like, the light that illuminates the rear license plate being out. Places like California, you got to have a front license plate. They can pull you over for that. Some places, things dangling from your rearview mirror get you pulled over. So they pull you over for anything. Now, if you're driving erratically and you're impaired and you shouldn't be driving, that's different. Don't drive. But you get pulled over, you're getting pulled over for a traffic citation. Your goal is to get out of there with a warning or the traffic citation. Maybe you were speeding. Maybe you didn't use your blinker. Maybe you did an illegal lane change, whatever. Get the ticket, get on your way. They don't want that. They want to find a reason to get in your way, to get in your car and start snooping around and looking around. And a lot of people think, well, if I have nothing to hide, why don't I just let them search? Well, number one, why would you let a stranger search your things? Period. Number two, what if there's something in there that you don't know about? What if a friend dropped something? I've been doing this a long time, and I've heard lots of stories. So that's why we teach the peaceful engagement. That's why we teach these 25 words. That's why we do the script challenge. And we do the script challenge live at noon every Friday. Click the link in the bio right here, whatever platform you're on, YouTube, Instagram, X, the beacons link, click it. Pop in your email address so you get further notifications, and you'll see where it says the script challenge. Push it. It'll get you to the Zoom link. Save that Zoom link, favorite it, and log in. Noon Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. Central. We're starting in just about 15 minutes on that Zoom. I think our moderator opens it up just a few minutes early, but lo and behold, by all means, we get there right around noon and get going with the script challenge. And the rules are, when I say I'm the cop, I pull you over, and these sunglasses come on, I'm the cop. And the only thing you're allowed to say are those 25 words. And I'm not consenting to searches, and I want my lawyer. And those end up being bonus questions. And if you get them all right in order, the way we teach and preach, you could win a prize like this shirt, the STFU hat. We got stickers with the script on them that go right on your visor. And of course, these script stickers are available just like the shirts and the hats. Link in bio. You can find all that stuff there. CMV ticket. We handle everything in California. Somebody asked, what do we handle? We handle all criminal defense from infractions up to attempted murder. And if you're in another state, we have a worldwide attorney referral network system that we could tap into, and we just might be able to refer you to a good, honest, ethical attorney in your area that you need. So check with us wherever you are if you get into a legal jam. Yes, Jay Farrell, traffic tickets too. We handle all of that. So again, the risk of sounding repetitive, but repetition is the key to education. Hit the link in bio, pop in your email address, subscribe to get further notices and notifications, and hit the script challenge and join us at noon in just about 13 minutes. It's 11:47 over here, noon Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. Come on into the Zoom. We have a nice sesh. We get into some Q&A. I pick random contestants to come up on the stage, open up the mic and the video, and join the script challenge. It's a fun game show. It's educational. Going into the weekend, they are out in force. And as I said earlier, they are looking for a reason to pull you over. They're looking for a way to get in your car. We don't want to get pulled over at all. But if there are things you can do to minimize the risk of even getting pulled over, make sure your blinkers are working. Make sure the light that illuminates the license plate in the rear is working. Make sure there's nothing dangling from your windshield or mounted on your windshield, or you have cracked windows, or don't make illegal lane changes. Go the speed limit. There's lots of things you can do to be ready in case you get pulled over. And the other side of the coin is if they just come up on you, it's still all the same. I'm not discussing my day, officer. You stick to the same 25 words. Why did you pull me over? I'm not discussing my day. Am I being detained or am I free to go? I invoke the fifth. And that's it. And that's the script challenge. And if you can get those 25 words in order, the way we teach it, then you could be a winner on the script challenge and get one of a number of our great prizes. So if you want to play the script challenge every Friday, noon Pacific, we're starting in just about 10 minutes. Go to the Beacons link on any of these platforms. I'm on YouTube, TikTok, and X right now. And any of these platforms, you're going to hit the Beacons link, pop in your email address so we have that to send you further notifications. And then you'll see the script challenge. Hit it, script challenge. Zoom link will be there. Click it, wait to be let in, and then save that Zoom link and come back next week. We have people come in, first-time players. They don't get it right. They lose. Come back the week after. Try it again until you get it right. Come back and ask questions. Engage in our Q&A. And we can answer all of them. I know I'm seeing in the comments some other questions here, especially on TikTok. I can't really get to those right now, but come on over to the script challenge. We do Q&A throughout the show and happy to answer your questions. You see, there's a question. I'll try to hit this real quick. The other Steve, the CCW, where does that fall into the script? Now, that's going to be state specific. Like in California, you never tell them anything. You don't have to. It's voluntary, optional, whether you have to tell them. And you could get into a lot of trouble in California, even with a CCW, but it's state specific. Some states, yeah, you got to, hey, officer, this is where it is. I have it. There are open carry states, so that's all state by state different. But you want to know if you're carrying around the gun, you want to know the laws in that state. You might be licensed in one state. You come to another state, it's completely different. Like in California, you're supposed to have that thing, in a locked box separated from the ammo. Other states are completely different. You can have it right over on the cab of your car, But aside from that, the script doesn't change. I'm not discussing my day. Am I being detained? Am I free to go? I invoke the fifth. And then you keep quiet. Again, I know there's other questions here. I can't get to them all here. Clubhouse. Yeah, we were on Clubhouse. I was really live on Clubhouse in those pandemic days. And we did the script challenge there too. And we're happy to do it again. But now our special Zoom link. So just joining us, click the Zoom link in our bio, link in bio, the Beacons link, put in your email address, click the script challenge. You'll find the Zoom link, save it, join us. We're going to be there 9 minutes. I'm doing the countdown. Noon, we start the script challenge over there, and we will get to it. So please join us. on the script challenge. It's a lot of fun. It's Q&A. There's another question from time for, so you don't tell them you have a, yeah, you don't volunteer that information. You definitely don't volunteer that information. You want a recommendation for law school? I don't know yet. Send me a private message. Join the script challenge. Let's see you. Let's see if you got the educational value we teach. Let's see if you can win. And we can start talking. Maybe we can help you out with that law school recommendation. Who knows? We try to help as much as we can. But for now, I'm encouraging you, please, link in bio, whatever platform you're on here. Click the script challenge. Put in your email address. Click the script challenge. That's the Zoom link. We're going to be there in just about 8 minutes. I hope to see everybody there on the script challenge. Share it with everybody you know. They are out in force. It's the weekend. You need to know these things. We're going to go over the DUI rules. What do you do? What do you don't do? Do you have to touch your nose and follow their finger? You know, in California, that's voluntary. A lot of states, the field sobriety tests are voluntary. After arrest, you have to do a chemical test. Refuse that, the DMV takes your license. We go over all that and a lot more on the script challenge, along with taking contestants. So for the last time, I'm going to encourage you, go to the Beacons link in our bio, click it, put in your email address, subscribe, click the script challenge. The Zoom link is right there, and we will see you in about 7 minutes on the Zoom link, on the script challenge live. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be educational. You're going to get a lot of value out of it. You're going to learn. We're going to take Q&A. We're going to take contestants. You could win prizes, all sorts of different things that we have: hats, shirts, stickers, cards, everything that has what you need to peacefully engage when you get pulled over. So Beacons link in bio, put in your email address, click the script challenge, and we will see you on the Zoom in just a few minutes, noon Pacific. They might open up the room a little bit early, but hang in there and we will let you in. We will see you on the script challenge